So dear brother and sister, I'm going to start this CapCut editing video. The best one, lovely, friendly. You can just start using it for our video. So to start video, as you know, this is the menu of this CapCut. Starting with the media, and media can include photos, audios, and video. And this also audios, they have also drop down, and this is the text. This is stickers, effect, transition, filters, and adjustment. So in this area of menu, also just you can see this drop down. Here we have file, and from file just you can get new project, and to import and export from here also. So edit, and this is the layout, default layout, first media, player first, and this is all the drop down, just you can go through very fast. But the important thing, and you can just start import to see it very fast how we are doing this CapCut. Just you can import this audio video, and you can drag in this area to edit it here. You can see this is a canvas where you can do a lot here for editing and adding and adjusting. From here, first let's start with this text. This text, because here we have effect and this trending. The basic will be like this for online. Can be imported if you are online in internet. Okay, just let's see, start with this, the basic one, or trending, or no problem. So you can let's press this one. Okay, just you can observe, if I drag this to this area here, they will open for me this here to this default text to edit it, to write whatever I want to write. Here I can write Sudanese dance like this. Yes. Yeah. Other things also can, where I want to put it, I can put it here. Suppose I want to play it for whole the video, only just you can drag this here like this. This will be continue with you till the end of your video like this. And in this even there is so many effects there like this. If I want to just purple like this, can choose any one of this. For example, like this, it will come like this. You know the shape, just you can select the shape that you want and you need, and you can drag it anywhere you want to fix it, and it will be till the end of the video, and like that also. Oh, this also can be your to write your logos here and be fix it in your video this here. Yeah, please don't forget the subscribe and put like if you like this videos. And another thing also, you can just learn here this animation. An animation, the nice animation, you can just see it and can put it also in this area. Suppose this is changing the color. Changing the color, see, when just I apply it, see how can be changed here like this. If I want to add another thing, for example like this one, it will come like this when I just put it there. And more, even this this is more also. Select more about this. And also having another thing, nice thing in this, called text to speech. Whatever you write it here can be speech, or can be just like this, to choose it and to speak, and even to find and to select the chill girl.
Sudanese dance.
Then you will hear that one. So this is very fast for this. And even this is a text, you can also change the basic text from here. What type of that the effect from here, just you can select another one from this area also. For example, like this, directly I can change it to this also. I can change the color and the style of which one to change, and this better one here to see. Thank you very much. This is very fast and very short video about CapCut, this lovely application for editing videos for your YouTube. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe in our channel and like, and just all this to have the new, inshallah, new videos for your inshallah.